Three different analyses. So, just to make this easier, I'm going to draw on a fun analogy. So give me one moment. I got my special little guest here. So this is Lola. So Lola, she is a fun little puppy. Lola, say hi. Hello. And Lola, she really likes to eat little things here or there. Now, what we're going to find in our analysis of algorithms, what we're going to find for deriving our complexity function, is we want to look out for certain problem instances that cause certain behavior for our algorithm. So little Lola here, she really likes to eat certain things. Now, sometimes they aren't really good for her. Some things that she thinks are good for her are things like greens. She loves greens. And these are perfectly fine for her. She goes outside, no problem. She doesn't get sick. However, sometimes she likes to be a little bit of a funny puppy, and she likes to go eat poop outside. And sometimes, I don't know if it makes her sick or not. And I want to make sure she doesn't do that, because she's a little dog, right? Likewise, there might be all sorts of different things out there she'd like to eat. Now, some of those things make her sick, and I don't want her to get sick. Likewise, there's things that she eats, they're perfectly fine. However, I want to identify the things that she really likes. They don't make her sick or anything. Then there's things that are out there that she's kind of typically, and they don't make her sick or anything, but sometimes they might. Say if they're not served correctly, like it's like a little bit of chicken or something, a little old or something. And then lastly, there's the things she shouldn't be eating, like poop. Lola, do you like eating poop? No. You wouldn't admit that on camera. The point is that she really likes greenies, right? Now, in our analyses, you're going to find that we're going to take different case-based analyses. Just like if you had your favorite pet, you want to look out for your pet to make sure they're not eating anything they're not supposed to and get sick. We don't want our friends to get sick. So you're going to find that there's three different kinds of cases which we're going to have to be careful for, okay? Here, Lola, do you want the greenie? Yes, you'll eat it later. Anyways, our little friend here, she went back to go have a nap. So let's get started here.